A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 52, Review of Lessons 6 through 10. Begin the day by reading and/or listening to the 5 ideas, with the comments included. Thereafter, it is not necessary to follow any particular order in considering them, though each one should be practiced at least once. Devote 2 minutes or more to each practice period, thinking about the idea and the related comments after reading or listening to them. Do this as often as possible during the day. If any one of the 5 ideas appeals to you more than the others, concentrate on that one. At the end of the day, however, be sure to review all of them once more. From Lesson 6. I am upset because I see what is not there. Reality is never frightening. It is impossible that it could upset me. Reality brings only perfect peace. When I am upset, it is always because I have replaced reality with illusions I made up. The illusions are upsetting because I have given them reality, and thus regard reality as an illusion. Nothing in God's creation is affected in any way by this confusion of mine. I am always upset by nothing. From Lesson 7. I see only the past. As I look about, I condemn the world I look upon. I call this seeing. I hold the past against everyone and everything, making them my enemies. When I have forgiven myself and remembered who I am, I will bless everyone and everything I see. There will be no past, and therefore no enemies, and I will look with love on all that I failed to see before. From Lesson 8. My mind is preoccupied with past thoughts. I see only my own thoughts, and my mind is preoccupied with the past. What, then, can I see as it is? Let me remember that I look on the past to prevent the present from dawning on my mind. Let me understand that I am trying to use time against God. Let me learn to give the past away, realizing that in doing so, I am giving up nothing. From Lesson 9. I see nothing as it is now. If I see nothing as it is now, it can truly be said that I see nothing. I can see only what is now. The choice is not whether to see the past or the present. The choice is merely whether to see or not. What I have chosen to see has cost me vision. Now I would choose again, that I may see. From Lesson 10. My thoughts do not mean anything. I have no private thoughts, yet it is only private thoughts of which I am aware. What can these thoughts mean? They do not exist, and so they mean nothing. Yet, my mind is part of creation and part of its creator. Would I not rather join the thinking of the universe than to obscure all that is really mine with my pitiful and meaningless, quote, private thoughts? Now, choose any one of the 5 ideas. If any one of the 5 ideas appeals to you more than the others, concentrate on that one. Just remember that each one should be practiced at least once at some point today. If you have not read or listened to the idea and comments that you've chosen for this practice period, do so now. Now close your eyes. Devote the next several minutes to thinking about the idea and the related comments. Okay. This concludes Lesson 52. As often as possible throughout the day, devote a couple minutes to practice any one of these ideas. Remember to practice each of the ideas at least once. At the end of the day, however, be sure to review all of them once more.